Hello everyone, I'm Parul Malik, mentor of Mindscan. Today we have with us our founder, visionary of Mindscan, Dr. Pramila Srimangalam. Hello ma'am, welcome to the show.
Hi Parul, so good to be here.
Thank you so much ma'am for being here. Today we would like to know more about the upcoming Mumbai Light Fair which is coming up in September month. I'm Love, I'm Light. So ma'am, please let us know more about it.
Thank you, of course. The upcoming light fair, which is about I Am Love, I Am Light, is guided by Ascended Master Yukteswar Giri. As you know, my dear Parul, that our journey at Mindscan is guided by the great ascended and awakened masters, like that of Master Buddha, like that of Master Ganesha, Master Moses, Master Lord Krishna, Master Jesus, such alike. So, this guided workshop is guided by the Master Yukteswar Giri, who is a revered guru of the world famous awakened Master Yogananda Paramahansa. So the guidances about the light fair is also something that we have been following and honoring uh, in various cities and various countries for activating the minds and the hearts of the individuals to also enable them to realize the very power of the inherent healing abilities, and also how we can make our life more simplified, more evolved, just by connecting with the art of healing ourselves through guided meditations, reception of light invocations, and such. And my dear Parul, I also want to share with you that this upcoming light fair is also having the gist of not just the essence of the love and the light that will help heal the individual's mind consciousness, but also we are going to receive the lessons from masters
Swami.
Yukteswar Giri, which is about the laws that are helping the human consciousness to evolve. So, this is also taking a compilation of a deck which has 22 affirmations and which are meant to bring profound change in the journey of human consciousness. Also, to work in this master's guidance, we also have significant presence of the light guidances from Master Lord Boy, Master Sai Baba, Master Swami Samarth, each of which helps the consciousness to deeply heal. So, the concept involving the light and love is signifying from the master or symbolic from the master that an inherent consciousness of a being should not be attached to just loving their ego self, or that is their incomplete personality, but rather the love as an understanding should be to the spirit, the soul within, because this soul, this spirit is connected to the inherent source of the divine light, which we call as a divine strength. So when we are able to honor our own very spirit, our own very soul with the essence of love, we are able to also heal the darknesses within. Like as master guides, like when we look at a lamp, for example, and if it is limiting or dimming the light, the very nature of the human mind should be to clean the lamp
Hmm.
and to polish the lamp so that the light shines out. So this is exactly that entails a journey of the love and light fair, which is 2 day guided,
Hmm.
and right here in the center in Mumbai, and it's an in-person light attendant fair which is connected for an entire day starting from 10 a.m. in the morning to 4 to 4:30 in the evening in the first weekend of September, please.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for letting us know about everything in the fair. So we'll be really looking forward and excited to be attending this thing,
Thank you,
light
my
fair.
dear Parul. The whole purpose of having the light fair is because it just awakens the mindset of an individual, because the lights are so powerful, and in today's day-to-day world,
Hmm.
the mind which is seeking the lights and not able to experience the light are also where the mind may be gripped in any source of negativity
Hmm.
or energy that makes it challenging for them to progress ahead. But we always have to rely